Why onion and garlic is prohibited? Why it is forbidden? Speaker Ramanal Chitra Chadadas, Hare Krishna. Someone has asked me a question. Why onion and garlic is prohibited? Why it is forbidden? So the answer is onion and garlic is mentioned in Shastras as a forbidden food. Sadhus have forbidden onion garlic. Shastra has forbidden onion garlic. Our Guru has forbidden onion garlic. So if you follow Sadhu Shastra Guru, these three people have forbidden onion garlic in our diet. So this is a forbidden food. You cannot offer to Lord Krishna onion garlic. So because it is not offered to Lord Krishna, so we don't take the food. Onion garlic we don't consume because we don't offer to Lord Krishna. So normally Krishna devotees take Krishna Prasadam only. So Lord Krishna likes certain categories of foodstuffs, sattvic food offered with love. This is what Krishna likes. Krishna likes butter, ghee, milk products. Krishna likes sweet. Now we hear from the pastimes of Lord Krishna what kind of foodstuffs he likes. He eats Govardhana Puja. Yesterday there was a Govardhana Puja. So Lord Krishna wants different kinds of foodstuffs while performing sacrifices. Varieties of foodstuffs he asks them to prepare. Varieties of sweets, um, so savories, milk products, ghee, butter, curd. These are the food prescribed foods, vegetables, grains. So sattvic food, mode of goodness, sattva guna. Lord Krishna prescribes such foodstuffs. So Shastras prescribe. Bhagavad Gita itself, Lord Krishna says, 17th chapter Bhagavad Gita, the food which is too sour, salty, pungent, very hard, dry, sterile, rajoguna. So it increases the modes of passion. Onion garlic, it is said that it increases the passionate qualities. Asuras means they are not devotees. Vishnu bhakte bhave deva, asuras tad viparyaha. So it increases the qualities of enmity, increases the quality of enmity of Lord Krishna, asura guna. So we should avoid foodstuffs which increases the modes of passion and ignorance. So we should consume food which is sattva guna. So we should increase our life, give health, ayu, bala, jnana, rusi, taste. It should be tasty, healthy. It gives long life for us. So we should feel healthy while eating the food, after eating the food also. It should be digestible also. It should increase our longevity also. So we have to consume these type of food stuff. It should not give us disease, or it should not be like indigestion, or it should not cause disease for us or death for us. It should not be too pungent, too sour, salty, too much spicy, too much masala, too much so much spicy masala things they add for meat consumption. So for eating meat, these are all very passionate foodstuffs. Too much salt is not good. Too much spicy as too much masalas are not good. Too much bitter also not good. Too much hot is not good. Too spicy masala. So foodstuffs changes our consciousness. We are what we eat, right? So this type of foodstuffs makes us angry, increases the qualities of anger, aggressiveness. Demonic qualities will increase if one eats this type of foodstuff. Rajoguna, Tamoguna means demonic quality will increase. So any food which is offered to Lord Krishna we consume. So we don't offer onion garlic to Lord Krishna, so we don't take those foodstuffs. There are various sastric references what kind of food we have to eat. Onion is not recommended food. Onion may be useful for some medicinal purposes. Onion, garlic. Uh, it may be useful for passionate people, but it is not useful for spiritual people. It is not useful for them. Maybe it is useful for some medicinal purpose for Rajasic people. Material life enjoyment, those who want to enjoy material life, for them it is recommended for them to eat. Those who want to retire from this world, they don't eat all these passionate foodstuffs. Even Jains, Buddhists, they don't eat all these type of foodstuffs. Onion while cutting itself makes us cry also. It's very spicy, it's hot, burning. It creates burning sensations in our eyes that we cry while cutting down itself. We cry, it is making us burning, because of burning sensation we cry. So this food is giving us distress from the beginning itself. So food should make us happy and healthy. It should increase our life. It should be tasty also. So onion garlic is beginning itself distress. So in the beginning, in the middle and the end, onion is obnoxious smell. To some sour food, too much salty, too much spicy, too much oily, fried item snacks, so many fried snacks. These are all not good for us.